So this is the US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday, the 6th of December. Now, what we've seen is we've seen a gap up in the market. We did gap up into a resistance in around 12.7. We did trade all the way up to the next minor level that we're looking at, 33.04. We've stalled there. We've seen some sell side momentum. We've not quite got down to where the gap fill is, in around at 12.15. Instead, we have seen some retracements here and there. What we have seen is prices headed towards that 12.52. Trade below that 12.52. We've had to move up, another trade below 12.52, but we're oscillating around that level. We've retested at 12.77, as we can see here, by these wicks, and we weren't able to close above 12.77. We have seen a rejection from 12.77. We have broken down towards 12.52, and again, we do appear to be rejecting 12.52. So, in light of the bearish momentum, we've seen a high there, potential lower high there. In light of that, and we could potentially look, well, in light of the most recent price action, we could look for a downside momentum to continue in this market. So a breakdown from where we are, we'll see a price track to 400 period moving average, but the key level that we are looking at is around 12.15. 12.15 is around our gap fill and is a minor weekly level. A break from that level that we'll be looking for to see move down towards that 200 period moving average. Currently sitting around at 11.90 or so. A break from which we're looking to see our price react at 11.60. Again, very strong level. Key level as well, 11.60. It's the key level after 12.52 essentially. So after 12.52, next key level is all around at 11.60. A break from which we'll see how price react to these lows just here before we did see a heavy retracement. So we're around at 11.40. 111 is a key level. We did see this swing in the market come pretty close off this 111 level, so we have to bear that in mind. So a break from 11.60 and 11.40, we're looking for 111. It has been a strong level in the market more recently, and a break from there we're looking for 10.73. 10.73 I would expect to be far out of the range, possibly. Let's see where we are. We're at 12.45. 111 might be the far end of the range, depending on market volatility. To the upside, if we do break from where we are, we do find support. We're looking for price to head towards that 113.56. After which the next key level is around that 114.30. Can't imagine a price end up towards that 114.30. So the far end of the range potentially we're looking at is in around at 113.56 to 114 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Overall, though, we do appear slightly bearish. Now, let's just do let's have a look at the daily chart for wrapping up here on the US dollar Japanese yen. So if we get scale on here correct, as we can see here, it's a bit of a mixed bag, really. We've got our key levels in around at 114.30, and what we have seen is we've found support at the 111 level. We've traded upwards. We've had a bit of a schism there in the market, pretty large candle. We've had a couple of bearish candles. We are in a bit of a consolidation at the moment. It doesn't appear to be a bit of a reversal at present. We do seem to be somewhat indecisive, and we might see a bull flag break and a move towards that 13.56 and a move all the way up to that 114.30. The reason we could potentially anticipate something like that might happen is the fact that we have had this strong move to the upside. So a somewhat consolidation before a move all the way up to those key levels, a breakdown from which we've already mentioned 11.16, 111 and 110.73. So that's wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.